Want to make money from Forex without lifting a finger? What if you could just sit back, relax, and let professional traders do the hard work, while you earn from home? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. If you're curious, check out the link below this video. Sign up now, and you could double your first deposit. But this offer won't last long. Alright, let's dive in. Welcome to the world of Forex copy trading, where even total beginners have a shot at earning like the pros. Here's how simple it is. First, you pick an expert trader, someone with a proven track record. Then you copy their trades in real time. Every time they win, you win too. Literally, their moves become your gains. This is perfect if you want extra income but don't have time to learn complicated charts or strategies. Whether you're slammed with work, school, or just looking for smarter ways to earn, copy trading lets you make money from home, with zero experience needed. All you need is internet access and a phone or laptop. The platform handles everything else: tracking, executing trades, maximizing your profits. And here's the kicker. There's a special offer running right now just for you. If you use the link below to sign up, you'll get double your first deposit. That's more capital to trade with and potentially double the returns. But this bonus only lasts for a limited time, so you really don't want to wait around. Thousands of people have already started earning with copy trading. The system is smart, proven, and super beginner-friendly. Picture this. You're focusing on your life, doing what you love, while someone with years of market experience is trading for you. You get the benefits, they handle the markets. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss future videos on earning smart, not hard. Tap that like button, drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to check the link in the description to start your Forex journey today.